Hello friend. So today we are going to discuss about the objectives of Ads Manager. What these objectives are and why you should select this objective before running the ad. What's your marketing objective? This is the main thing you must know before running any paid advertisement. Without selecting this objective, you cannot run your any ad on Facebook or Instagram. So here I'm going to share with you the importance of the objective. Here I'm going to explain you each and every category of this objective. So these objectives are divided into three categories, that is awareness, which consists of brand awareness and reach. Consideration consists of six part: traffic, engagement, app installation, video views, lead generation, and messages. And the third is conversion, which consists of conversions, catalog sales, and store traffic. So, before you create an ad, first consider what your business goals are. It's important to know that you want to achieve in order to choose the right objective. Your advertising objective is what you want people to do when they see your ad. For example, if you want to show your website to people interested in your business, products or services, you can create ads that encourage people to visit your website. These objectives will help you to achieve your goals. Now I am going to explain you about the awareness objectives that generate interest in your products or services. Increasing the brand awareness is about telling people what makes your business valuable. For example, some market is going to launch a small regional chain of grocery store. Using the brand awareness objective, they can create a campaign that highlights their fresh organic produce people in the local area. The second, consideration objectives that get people to think about your business and seek more information. For example, Microinch Hub has a website that tells their story and lists some of their stories' unique offerings. Using the traffic objective, they can create a campaign that encourages people to visit their sites. The third is conversion objective. The conversion objective that encourage people interested in your business to buy or use your product or services. For example, Microinch Hub is a market has been opened a few new locations. Using the store traffic objective, they can create a campaign to encourage the potential customers to stop by their nearest store. So, hope you have understood these three main parts of the objectives. So, brand awareness increases the people awareness to your business, brands, or services. Similarly, reach shows your ad as many people as possible in your target audience. The traffic campaign send people from Facebook to any URL you choose, such as your website, landing page, a blog post, or an app, etc. Engagement objective reach people more likely to engage with your post or content. That engagement includes like, comment, share, but can also include offers claim from your page. App installation send people to the store where they can download your business app. Video views share videos of your business with people on Facebook most likely to watch. Lead generation collects lead for your business. Create ads that collect into from people interested in your product, such as sign up for newsletters. Messages connects with people on Facebook, communicate with potential or existing customers to encourage interest in your business. For message objectives, you can also redirect them to your WhatsApp account. Conversion, the conversion campaign, you can use this campaign for remarketing to encourage people again and again to buy your products and services. Catalog sales will sell your e-commerce project and which will generate a unique sell for your store. In this way, all the objectives have their certain goals to complete. So before running ad, you must know the importance of each and every objective. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel and also like this video. You can share this video in your community so they can take advantage from this video. And thank you for watching this video. Bye.